Each new moon phase carries the energy of new beginnings, fresh starts, and it's the perfect time to call in new desires and manifestation. Here is a simple new moon ritual you can do at home. Take some quiet time to get into a meditative state and to focus and reflect on what it is that you desire. And then write it down on a piece of paper and get really specific about your desires. Really take your time with this part. Light some incense and candles, put on some lovely music, then get out your journal and write I am statements. Make sure you include lots of details about what it is that you're wanting to bring in, and then visualize in your mind's eye each of these desires manifesting itself. It's important to use your imagination and creativity for this visualization. Now that you've called in, written down, and visualized your desires, it's time to let them go. Let go of the attachment to the outcome. You can burn, bury, or rip up your wishes, or if you like, you can save them, fold it up, and place them underneath some crystals. Make sure to share gratitude and say thank you out loud to the universe for everything that you already have. You can find a wide variety of crystals for your new moon ritual, as well as our moon phase crystal companion set on blisscrystals.com. And download our free app to join our crystal community and watch our live shows where you can learn so much more about crystals and ritual. Wishing you new moon blessings from Bliss Crystals.